Chile was shaken near Ovalle, Limarí, Coquimbo Region, by an earthquake of magnitude 5.8 only 11 minutes ago, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported. The quake hit at a moderately shallow depth of 44 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Ovalle, Limarí, Coquimbo Region, Chile, early morning on Thursday, January 12, 2023, at 3:19 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 5.8 earthquake as well. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported the same quake at magnitude 6.2.